Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is, data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata descriptors or annotations to provide context, meaning or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating level data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. So, data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, so including in computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So without any special skills, you can earn money on Fiverr. True data annotation involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple. Create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see here, we have a small number of offers comparing with other services. So let's see, for example, graphic design. As you can see here, we have logo design, so over 250,000 results. That means over 250,000 of offers. So let's see another offer, for example, writing and translation. Let's see that one. So as you can see here, we have over 51,000 results. That means over 51,000 of offers. So let's see another one. It's video editing. So here we have over 69,000 results. I mean over 69,000 of offers. So it's really a strong competition, and comparing with data annotation, you can get your jobs there, and you can get you can give offers easily and work easily. So how to get to this to data annotation? The only thing you have to do is open your web browser and type fiverr.com. Here we have, it will lead you to this home page. There is two way to dive to data annotation. First one is click over here, AI services, and go to data annotation. The second one is you can just scroll down, and as you can see, many services will appear. So here we have data annotation. You will just click over here and go to data annotation. So as you can see, many offers will appear. So you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. And if we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. And as you can see here, we have the minimum amount is $5, and we can find $10, $35, $15, and you can find, why not, $100. So it's depend on how much time you need and how much services you give. So to more understand, let's select an example. So for example, that one, as you can see, this is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images as example, videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. For charge, it's as you can see, for the basic one, it's $5 for 400 bounding boxes in day delivery and $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes in 2 days delivery, and for the premium one is $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes in 6 days delivery. You can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details here. As I mentioned, it depends on how much time you need and how much bounding boxes you will get. So let's, for example, select another example. Here we have another offer. So as you can see, the premium one is $200 for 10,000 bounding boxes in 5 days delivery. So it's totally different. So here we have standards $80 for 4,000 bounding boxes in 2 days delivery. So with other example, here we have $100 for 12,000 bounding boxes in 6 day delivery, and here we have $35 for 4,200 bounding boxes in 3 days delivery. So as I said, it's depend on the person who making offers, and it's depend on how much time you need to finish this offer and how much bounding boxes you can get in a specific time. So this is how data annotation works. You can get more information on Google, and you can start learning the basic thing and starting as a data annotator. So it's really easy comparing with other services. You don't have to learn new skills or special skills. It's really simple, and you can get money as a freelancer. So there's other platform like AudioB. You can start as a data annotator too by selecting here becoming a freelancer. It's audio data, by the way, and there is the second or the third platform is Toluca. You can start as a Toluca here, so you can just click over here. I am ready to earn money, and then you will sign up with Google or Facebook, and you will start getting money by becoming a freelancer. So what are you waiting for, guys? It's a simple thing. You can just learn basic thing, and then you will start earning money by becoming a freelancer, or we can say a data annotator. So just to let you know that there is other platforms to earn money. These three platforms that I mentioned, Fiverr and RDB and Toluca, it's just examples of hundred of platform you can get. So this is it, guys. I hope this video it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.